Social Security scammers call me. They've got a ridiculous story. My phones are being tapped, they know my address, and I guess I'm getting arrested. Let's have some fun.
Hi, this call is from Social Security Administration. The nature behind this call is to inform you about a suspension notice we've received against your Social Security number by the Federal Crime and Investigation Department. We need to you as soon as possible. Again, this call is from Social Security Administration, and to reach our department, press 1. Call on same number. I repeat, press 1 now.
You have reached to the Social Security Administration. This is Officer Jack Smith. How can I help you?
I don't know. You guys just called me. I answered the phone.
Okay, what was the call about?
It said I had to press 1. Social Security is trying to get hold of me, and there's a problem, and I have to press 1 to talk to you. So I pressed 1.
Okay, may I know whom I'm speaking with? What's your name?
Yes, this is Robert Downey.
Robert Downey, D-O-W-N-E-Y.
Yeah.
And please verify your social number so that I can pull out your file, Robert.
I'd like to know what this is about first.
Yes, that's why I'm asking you to verify your social number so that I can pull out your file.
Oh, you can't pull it up just for my name?
No, it is found suspicious. That's the reason you have to verify it.
You guys called me, you must know.
Sir, you got transferred to me. I'm not the one who called you.
Oh. Well, it's 088 37 1237.
And what's your birth date?
It's January 23rd, 1965.
Just give me a moment. Let me pull out your file.
Okay.
All right. So Downey,
Yes.
the reason you were contacted today was to inform you regarding some legal enforcement actions filed on your Social Security. And we have got an order to suspend your Social Security number right away from your name.
Oh
Because
my.
we have found many suspicious activities done on your social. So Mr. Downey, did you receive any call from your local police department regarding any case file?
No, I don't know what you guys are even talking about. What activity?
Grab a piece of paper and a pen handy.
I did. I really did. I got one right now.
First of all, write down my name. Jack Smith. my
Jack
badge
Smith. How
ID
do you
is
spell that? How do you spell that?
J-A-C-K.
Okay. Jack, how do you spell Smith?
S-M-I-T-H.
S-M-I-T-H. Okay. J-A-C-K is Jack, and Smith is S-M-I-T-H.
Right.
Okay,
And my
I got
badge
it.
ID is 315
Okay.
6219
Okay.
A-C. A as in apple, C as in Charlie.
Okay.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
Downey, there has been 2 cases has been got registered under your social. So note down the case ID number. It's D as in David,
Ugh, a lot of stuff to write down.
E as in Charlie. Sorry?
A lot of stuff to write down. Okay, DC.
7010.
7010. Okay.
This is your case ID number. Alright?
I think it's all right. I don't know.
Now-
Is it a good one?
It's a bad one. It's your case ID number.
Okay, well, I got it written down. I didn't know it was a bad number.
That is case ID. Now, Downey, I will go ahead and read out the legal charges which has been filed under your name on your Social Security.
I appreciate
So
it.
I will
Smith.
highly appreciate you if you do. I will highly appreciate you if you do not interrupt me in between while
I
I'm
won't
speaking.
do that. I
because
will
the call
not.
is- All right. Your social has been found suspicious for criminal activities in the state of Texas. Have you ever been to the state of Texas before?
No. No, I've never left.
Have you ever lost your phone or have you ever lost your phone or wallet in past?
Yeah, I probably have in the past. When I was a kid, I lost it, but my wallet. Back then, they didn't have phones. Well, they had phones, but not cell phones. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Now, Downey, this case will be taken to the FBI headquarters as we have strong evidence which are enough to prove you guilty in the courthouse. Now, are you physically disabled?
I am not, Smith.
Alright. Now, Mr. Downey, the investigation started when we found an abandoned car in the south border of Texas, and the car contained some human blood and drug residues inside it. So after investigation, we found that the car was rented under your name and on your personal social information. Also, there is one address linked with the title of the vehicle, and the address was in the city of Rowley, which was raided by U.S. Marshals. But
I'm
unfortunately,
sorry, did you say
there was
human
no
drug
one.
residue? Did you say human drug residue?
Sorry?
I'm sorry, but did you say
Yes,
human drug residue?
drug residue.
Human drug residue.
Human blood and drug residue.
Oh, human blood and drug residue. Gotcha. Why? Well,
And that,
I was never there.
and when the U.S. Marshal raided the house, which was rented under your name, there was no one inside the residence. But we have found 8 pounds of cocaine. I repeat, 8 pounds of cocaine, which is an abusive drug, and some documentation
Not
from
necessarily.
financial institutes, such as
Not necessarily abusive.
also some.
It's not abusive if you don't use it.
Mr. Downey, I said you will not interrupt me in between.
Oh, I'm sorry. I won't do it again. I promise.
Now, as well as there are also some documents found for accounts in banks which are overseas in countries like Jamaica, China, Cayman Islands, and this entire
China?
paperwork has.
I never been to China?
Yes,
Huh.
it has been wired in the countries like China, Jamaica, and Cayman Islands,
Oh,
and
wired.
this entire paperwork has your name on it, and hundreds of thousands of dollars has
Does it
been
have my
wired from
signature?
those bank accounts.
Does it have my signature? Because you need my
Sir, it has
signature.
been wired. Do you understand the meaning of wired?
Yeah. Yeah, it goes like electronically.
Yeah.
But,
So the hundreds thousands of dollars has been wired from those bank accounts locally and internationally.
but you
Which
still have to
totally seems
sign from this
suspicious,
end. For me to wire something, I still have to sign. I can't just shove it into my computer. I gotta go to a Western Union or something and sign something, don't I? I don't know. Did it come from my account?
And this all those 10 bank accounts which has been found under your name and your social security. All those 10 bank accounts relate to you. Does those 10 bank accounts relate to you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't want to interrupt you. I only have one bank account.
What
Are you
you
saying-
want to interrupt me? You're interrupting me every time.
No, I didn't. I wouldn't do that. I was just
Yes,
asking.
you did.
I'm sorry. Do them bank accounts have money in them right now?
Hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Can can I have the account number so I can withdraw the money?
It's your account. You don't have the account number?
Well, if it's my account and there's hundreds of thousands of dollars in it, I would like that money, yes. Hundreds of thousands of dollars.
So you must be having each and everything in.
I mean, I didn't know about it, but maybe I did it on a bender. I don't know.
Then how come everything has been linked with your name and your social security?
Well, maybe I was on a bender. I don't know.
You was abandoned.
No.
Are you trying to kidding me?
No. No, I don't know what you mean. I'm just trying to figure this out with you. I want to make sure that this gets straightened out, because I don't remember starting any other bank accounts except for the one that I have, which is with Citibank. I think there's a mistake, and I think the mistake is on you guys' end, because it's not my fault. I didn't do it.
Then how, if you haven't do it, then how come everything has been linked with your social? Your social is your social.
I don't know. Maybe
how it got in someone else's hand.
Maybe somebody got a hold of my social and maybe they started some checking account, and maybe it's like a case of false identity. That's probably what it is.
So do you suspect anyone who can do this with your information? Or is there anyone who know your social information apart from you?
Yeah, a lot of people know my social. The government does, the banks do. And sometimes I have to rent a car, and when you rent a car, you need to give them your social.
Why you rent the car?
Well, sometimes I rent a car, like when I'm away. If I fly to Texas or someplace, which I've never been to before, but when I do fly to Texas, which I never do, I don't bring my car with me because I flew, so I have to rent a car. And every single time I do that in Texas, I have to use my social security number to rent the car. But I've never been there, though.
You're saying when you want to go to the Texas, that time you give your social security, and you're again saying that you never done that.
Every single time I go there.
What is this down? You're trying to smart with me.
Every single time I go to Texas, I rent a car. But that's not the way I do things, because I've never been there. I've never been to Texas.
What are you trying to say? You're saying one time you're saying you go, one time you're saying you never went to Texas.
Oh, never been. Never. I don't ever care to go to
Then why
Texas.
you want to rent a car to Texas?
Well, because if I don't have a car, I don't drive there. I fly. Every single time I go to Texas, I fly. So I have to rent a car when I'm there because...
And why you want to go to the Texas?
I would never. I don't like Texas. I will never go to Texas. I don't like Texas.
Right now you said you fly to go to the Texas.
Yeah, when I go to Texas, I fly. I like to fly. Because it's too far of a drive.
Why you need to go to the Texas?
I don't need to go to Texas. That's why I never been. I've never been to Texas. I'll never go to Texas.
Howni, what are you trying to do? Are you trying to misguide me?
I don't understand what you mean.
Are you trying to play with me?
No, I'm sorry. I don't swing that way.
What? One time you're saying when you need to go to the Texas, you go by flight.
Well,
and the second time you're saying you never went to Texas.
Well, it's a long drive. It's a long drive. I wouldn't want to drive there.
You are on a recorded line. Whatever thing you are saying has been recorded, and also it has been monitored, like it has been traced.
Oh my.
So wherever you are, you will be get arrested. Don't worry.
Oh,
I believe each and everything has been done by you. All that bank accounts, all those drugs, and that dead body belongs to you. You are the one who is committing this criminal activity.
Mr. Jacks, please don't do that. Please don't get me arrested, Mr. Jack. Please.
Yes, I will.
I don't understand.
Why did you did that?
I didn't do any of that.
Yes, you did it. Right now you said on the recorded line that if you want any business in the state of Texas, you go by flight. And then you rent a car. Now you are saying that, on the other hand, you are saying you never went to the Texas.
I've never been.
That means you're trying to
I will never go to Texas. I just don't like, it's too far. Too far to go. I'll never go to Texas. It's too far. That's why
I don't believe you.
I never drive.
I don't believe. Where are you right now? Where are you at this moment?
I'm in my home.
Where are you at this right now? What's your address?
Well, you've got my social security number and all my information. Why don't you tell me what my address is?
Because I can see there are 2 to 3 addresses under your name. I want to confirm what address you are right now.
Well, you just told me you're going to get me arrested. You think I'm going to tell you where I am?
Yes, you have to tell me. Otherwise, your phone is already getting traced. We will trace you.
You already told me it is being traced, and you said I'm getting arrested. I ain't going to tell you where you can pick me up. That's ridiculous.
Yes, it has been the call has been traced. I said you before, it has been monitored and it has been traced. Now, wherever you will be getting arrested. We can trace the location.
Mr. Jack, please don't do that. Please.
I will do it. I know you are a culprit. Why you did that?
Mr. Jack, please. It wasn't me.
You are in... Right now I got an update that you are in...
Oh my God, how did you know that? Oh my God. How did you know that?
I got the update. Because it has been traced. Now you will be arrested in next 30 minutes.
No, please, Mr. Jack, please don't do that. Please.
Yes, I will do it.
I can't believe this is happening to me. No, Mr. Jack, please, no.
Then why did you committed this kind of crime?
I didn't. You're going to make it so I have to take a trip to Texas and fly just to get away from you. I hate going to Texas. I've never been, but I'm just saying, I'm sure I would hate it.
Who?
You're making... Me. What do you mean, who?
Then why you said he went to Texas?
No, I said I hate it when I have to go to Texas. I hate it when I have to go to Texas. I don't like Texas.
What was the last time you visited to Texas?
Oh, I've never been. Never. I've never been to Texas.
But you said me whenever you want to go to the Texas, you go by flight.
Yeah, it's the only way to go. It's too far of a drive. Every single time I go, that's what I do. I fly. Such a stupid thing. That was kind of fun. Bye, guys. La